Hello, my name is Tony Arasi. I serve as the Director of Board Development for the Georgia School Board Association. As you go through this course, and if you have any questions on the content of the course, please contact 770-962-6841 and be glad to help you with any questions you have. If you have any technical problems with this course, please click on the green tab at the bottom of your screen. We at GSBA are very pleased to offer this online board self-assessment course. Completion of this course will award you 2 credit hours towards your required 9 hours of training each year. We understand that there are realities of board service that create many challenges for board members to work cohesively at all times with other team members. Some of those realities, as you certainly have learned by now, are that you run individually but actually serve as a member of a team. Legally, your power lies not with you as an individual, but with the board as a whole. You also understand that your success is tied to how well you work with other Board of Education members and the superintendent, or as we refer to it as the governance leadership team. How well are you and your board doing as school leaders? That is a great question. Many boards try to answer this question by assessing public opinion. If there are very few complaints from members of the community or staff members, you may in fact believe you're doing a great job as a board. Also, it's common to hear an elected board member say, "Hey, I get evaluated at the polls each year." Some appointed board members view reappointment as an affirmation that they are doing a good job. The public can provide informal evaluation of a board, but it cannot provide the kind of evaluation a board really needs. It is a rare community member who could possibly understand the complex issues, the roles and the responsibilities of a board, and how they could measure your performance in light of them. Instead, board members and superintendents need to engage in regular self-assessments to make sure they continue to exercise the most effective leadership possible. By the way, as we go through the course, there will be times when I use the phrase self-evaluation and self-assessment interchangeably. They mean the same thing. This course will hopefully allow you, your fellow board members, and your superintendent, again, the governance leadership team, to better understand how the self-assessment process works. We also hope that you and the entire leadership team will be encouraged to participate in regular self-assessments and make this an important part of your continuous improvement process. You and your board members know, and certainly your superintendent understands, that there are major challenges in this age of accountability for school districts all across the country. Some of the challenges that you deal with are as follows. There's a big focus on continuous improvement. Boards of education can and should model continuous improvement, and one way you can do that is by assessing yourself. Although it is not required, self-assessment and doing any kind of an assessment does not mean it's not important. And this is one of the challenges that boards face and need to make sure that they're very aggressive and assertive, that just because board self-assessment is not required, it does not mean that you should not participate in it. Another challenge is that boards are made up of a number of different board members. For example, in our state, we have 5, 7, sometimes 9 board members that have to try to work as one. We even have one district that has 10 board members. This course is designed to assist you and your board members and superintendent in understanding and encouraging you to participate in board self-assessment. Objectives for this course include the following: continuous improvement and how it relates to board self-assessment. Again, we know that boards believe that evaluation is very important at the classroom level, at the school level. We really feel like they need to model that. This course will also help to clarify the roles and responsibilities of the board members and the superintendent. It's one of the benefits of doing a self-assessment. Also, this course will give you examples and emphasize to you why boards should participate in self-evaluation. And finally, there'll be a lot of detail in this course regarding how you actually conduct the self-assessment, including a greater understanding of the instrument and then how that instrument needs to be applied and utilized to develop board goals and plans. At the conclusion of this course, you will be asked to do two things. One, complete a knowledge check of important content from this course. And finally, to complete an evaluation from this course. As you know from this course, we believe assessment and evaluation is important, and we would love to get your comments on how you felt the course was planned, how you feel it was laid out, and we want to use it to, if we need to, improve on the course. Let's begin.